So my king, what was his response when you invited him?
He said that the gods are silent. So there's really big trouble. I do not know what else to do.
You see, Your Highness, you are not just my king, you are also my bosom friend. I cannot stand to be humiliated at all if that fool happens to take over the throne. No, I think I would better resign before it's too late. Yes.
No. He hasn't got into that. Don't forget that the people still need you.
My king, you still think about these people? Did you just say the people needs us? No, my king, you are a good man. These people are full of greed and hatred. They don't deserve you. You are a good man, my king. Huh? No. Not at all. Upon all the war they fought against you, you still think about these people. Huh?
It is good to be good regardless. But I want you to be strong. Do not give up until everything says so. Do not.
Leave him. Obey the instructions.
Carry snap bottle.
Leave him, make you enter. You don't.
See, by the time I become the Igbo's in-law,
no,
I will post you to vigilante.
You don't do, leave him.
They got you with job. You stop touching me.
Come.
Stop touching me. Igwe,
behave yourself.
Igwe, this stupid hard policeman employee come to stop me. You don't know that I'm your Ogo. Ogo, sorry. Good morning, good afternoon, Ogo. And you, go back to your duty post before I will now give. Igwe, sorry. Igwe, I'm on as going to American.
Okay, what are you doing here?
I am here to see my in-law. Igwe, look at the stupid question who is asking me. What am I doing here? Igwe, you are the cause of this question. How do you mean you came to my house and paid my groom price? This man will not be asking me this stupid question. When two August are talking, you want to talk, you are disrespecting us. Igwe, yeah.
Ekwe, so what do you want?
Igwe, what I want is very simple. Igwe, come to my house. Come and meet my groomsmen. Huh? Come and pay my groom price. And I will consider marrying your daughter. And your daughter will marry me. Very simple.
Ekwe, is that why you are here? Just to blab this rubbish? Now you get out of this place.
Huh?
Guard!
Take him away from here. No. See.
Bia. Better stay one place.
Don't try me, oh.
Stay one place.
Mama, go get one. You cannot try it. Igwe.
Guard,
Igwe.
go inside and get him a bottle of cognac there.
Be fast about that. This leg I raised up would have landed on your back ear. Huh? The one I will karat. Igwe, you will live long. You will live forever. Huh? Oh no. By the time I become the Ogo of Igwe, this will know who and me and you will be sharing it. If you will know who today, will know who tomorrow. Bring it here, bring it. Amung. Hey! Original! Igwe,
Are you okay now?
I am okay. Opa okay is now worrying me. Igwe, you will live long. Igwe, I swear to God, if anybody look for your trouble, call me. I am angel and capable. I will fight. If you look for another person's trouble, call me. Oh no, look at what your mates gave to me. And you're looking at me licking your lips like lizard. You will not test this one. Igwe, just make it 4. Bring more 4 and forget about my room price. Imagine Kazi, as you just did the introduction on my head. Igwe, bring more 4 and I will tell my kingsmen to forget about everything. Stop pushing me. Igwe, stop pushing me. Hey you! Police! Open the gate! Open the gate! See, look at how they are escorting me. This one is guiding me at the back. This one is opening the gate. Fast! I don't want to touch the gate. Be must about that.
Just imagine.
You can see that again. At least he has brought a smile on my face.
Really?
I feel like the world has left me.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm having pains.
Babe, what's going on? I've been trying to reach you, but you've not been responding. What's the problem?
The thing is that I have something to discuss with you.
Can you talk to me? Babe.
Hey.
Is everything alright?
Yes, everything is fine. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Babe, what do you want to discuss with me? Talk to me.
Do you know what? I'll talk to you later.
Why, babe? But I'm here to see you.
Don't worry. I'm so sorry about everything. I'll talk to you, please.
Babe. Babe, talk to me now, babe. Babe. Babe, but
Please. I'm sorry.
what's going on?
Come, where my money? Where my money?
Come on for road too.
If I dey look you don't know why they look you.
She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Lady. She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Lady. She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Lady. Double wahala. No day and then it's over. People in Sobobia, okay, you're working anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. If you want to trouble, now she be trouble herself. Ijoma, the chief maiden, she not the fear at all. Anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. Ijoma, na chief maiden she be.
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Why are you insulting me?
Do you want to get yourself killed?
Stop insulting me. You don't even know why I'm here. I'm here to help you. You're insulting me. Must you insult me?
Help who?
Please calm down. Don't stop me raw, please. Why I stopped it because I want to tell you that you're a fine man, but you don't have sense.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Yes, you're a fine man, but you're using your brain to roast corn. You don't have common single sense. Sorry for that insult, but you deserve it. Should I shock you? Let me shock you. That nonsense girl you have been following about, roaming around in this palace. That girl, she's not the princess. She's a maid. Common maid. I even seen her in rack. My own rack is higher than her own rack. I'm the chief maid. She's just ordinary maid.
Which girl are you talking about? And what's my business with a maid in your palace?
Informer. She's flaunting herself as the princess. So I'm here to tell you that she's not the princess.
You are insane. It's obvious.
I'm insane.
You are mad.
Hold on. I will not me and you is insane. No vex, sha. But let me shock you. That's why I came with evidence.
What evidence are you talking about?
Wait. Come on. Let me watch this picture. Why?
Jesus.
You are seeing myself, you are seeing Dorothy, you are seeing Naza and your Temu princess. Informer. You're speechless. You're speechless. Abi, you cannot even thank me for giving you this gist. You can't thank me. Not give me money for telling you. Fine man, empty sense.
She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Maiden, Double Wala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Maiden, Double Wala. She's the one and only Ijoma.
How far? Where my money? Where my money? Come. Where? Where my money? Come here. Let's see my shoe don't come out. Say my shoe don't come out. Where my money? Where my money? You see you. You go die open yard. You go die open yard. You see this where do my shoe? Ijoma is ready for you. Ijoma biago we bochiri. Onyamkwemwe. In fact, make everything just cast. No come drag her position. Everything cast.
Where is that fraudster? Where is that thief? Go and get to that fraudster now!
Mr. Man, why are you shouting here?
What are you looking for?
Who is the fraudster?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You better talk now, else I'll get the police involved. I say speak!
Young man, who are you?
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, this maid here impersonated the princess to deceive me.
What?
My king, I cannot say no. My king, it's not my fault though. It was the princess that pleaded with me to do it. My king, please, I'm sorry. It wasn't me, please. It wasn't me, oh. It's not me, I'm innocent.
Now get me the princess.
Okay, my king. Okay, my king.
What is going on?
I am the princess.
What?
I'm innocent though. I'm innocent.
Can't say what the moon at home na di.
Fred, honestly, I'm so sorry, please. I tried to tell you, but I just couldn't.
And you thought lying and deceiving me was the best option?
No, I didn't. I tried to stop, but I just couldn't. I enjoyed every bit of our conversation. Fred, please just hear me out, okay? I'm truly sorry. It's not... I don't know.
You know, I don't even know what to believe right now. I'm so confused. Like, why is all this happening to me? Why me?
Fred, please, it's not my fault. I promise, it's not.
Then whose fault? My fault? No, tell me, is it my fault?
No, please. I can explain. All of this happened because of the guy I was talking to. The guy I was talking to, we talked for weeks. And he told me he loved me. We talked over the phone, and when we finally met, he told me he loved me and he wanted to spend the rest of his life with me. And the day we finally agreed to meet at a restaurant, I was happily waiting for him to come. I was so happy and excited. And when he showed up and saw me, he pretended like he never knew me. I called. He just stared at his phone and ignored my call. Hi, babe. Hi, thank you. You can go now, okay?
My process.
How are you? I've been calling you, babe, but you haven't been taking my calls.
Remember the business meeting I told you I was going to?
Yes, I remember.
Well, they finally approved it.
Are you serious?
Yes, babe.
Oh my goodness, congratulations, babe.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, when are you starting?
You see, that's the problem.
What's the problem, babe?
I can't start.
Why?
They said I have to deposit 10 million before I can proceed.
10 million naira.
Yeah.
Why?
They said it is company's policy and it has to be made. And I don't even have such an amount of money. Maybe I should just stop and rest. Because I don't have anyone that will give me such an amount and wait until 2 weeks before I pay back.
Babe, just calm down, okay? Okay, babe.
Yeah, honey.
The deadline is 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, I'll give you the money.
You will?
Yes. Since it's just 2 weeks deadline, I can raise 10 million into it.
Thank you so much, my love. In fact, I want to marry you before I start this project.
Really?
You just saved me. See, baby, will you marry me?
Really?
Yeah, baby.
But there's no ring, like nothing.
See, have this. I will give you diamond ring soonest. Let this serve as a ring for now, please, baby.
Thank you so much. I
Yeah,
love
baby.
you.
I love you.
Thank you, babe.
I love you, my love.
Love you too. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, baby.
You sounded urgent on the phone. What is it?
Mom, I was wondering if you can help me with something urgent, please.
How? Whatever it is. You're my angel. I will willingly oblige you. So tell me, what is the problem?
Mommy, I was wondering if you could help me sign out some money for my trust fund without Dad knowing.
What? That is not possible. There's no way your father will not find out because he apparently controls the account.
No, don't say that. Mommy, I know there's a way you can do this without Dad knowing. Please, I need your help, please, Mommy.
It's alright, no problem. So how much are we talking about?
5 million.
5 what? That's a lot of money. What are you doing with 5 million?
Mommy, I have this project I'm starting, and it's very. Mommy, just I'll tell you the details later, please. I just need the money urgently. Like it's so urgent, please, Mom.
It's alright. I am not promising anything. Let me see how it's going to go. But that money is huge. That's lots of money.
Mom, trust. Can you just trust me?
I'll try. Yes, you can say that.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. So, babe, I've transferred the money to you.
Oh, my baby. Thank you so much, my love.
You're welcome.
You know, I actually made the best decision, making you my bride-to-be.
It's fine, babe. You're welcome, okay?
Yeah, baby.
And, my mom asked of you earlier today.
Oh, tell them I'm coming with my people by the ending of this month.
Really?
In fact, tell them I will do everything on that same day. Because I'm taking my wife home with me.
You're not serious.
I'm very serious.
Look, just quit being funny, okay? And follow the due tradition.
But that's the truth now. You're going home with me.
Okay, that's fine. So, I was also thinking of, Just help me out, okay? Jesus.
Hello?
No card, okay? Maybe he's...
Hello? 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 My princess, I'm not sure there's anyone here.
Are you sure? Did you knock hard? Like, maybe he's sleeping.
Hello? Your doors are locked.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Since then, I didn't hear from him. I called, he wouldn't take his call. He couldn't even be decent enough to tell me why he stood me up.
I'm so sorry about that. But you know, this is not an excuse to do what you did to me. You hurt me so badly. You created a dent in my heart that I will never forget for the rest of my life. I don't think I deserve this treatment. I don't think I don't deserve this. I don't. We complain about fraudsters defrauding people. But this is exactly what you did to me. You treated me as if I was your client.
No, Fred, don't say that. Please don't. Look, everything we talked about, I all meant it. Like, you were not my client. I really enjoyed every bit of our conversation. Fred, please, I am so sorry. I never knew it would escalate to this point. I was even duped many times by guys because of my condition. After that, I couldn't even tell anybody. Days turned to weeks, and weeks to months. He wouldn't pick my call. I went to his apartment. It was locked. I found out he deleted all his social media accounts. And I couldn't even report to the police because what would I say? There was no written agreement that he would pay me back. I had no one to talk to. I couldn't even tell my mom. I couldn't tell her what happened. I only told her that business had gone bad, and that was it. That was when I decided I would never show myself to anybody again.
Your story is so touching. Well, at this point now, I just need some space. I just need to digest everything. My head is banging, please.
I'm so sorry.
I just need some time. I think I have to go now, please.
Fred, please don't do this to me.
I have to go, please.
Fred!
I don't follow, be say
Fred,
I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. No going back.
you dey sweet me. I see the baby. You dey sweet me. I see the baby. Mama, you dey sweet me. Take it again. I see the baby. You dey sweet me. I see the baby. Mama, you dey sweet me. I see the baby.
Don't match me again. Don't match me.
Wait till that one now. Come on for road tonight. No mama.
Go that side, please.
What's that? Don't try that nonsense with me. Come on for road now.
I don't understand. What kind of intimidation is this? Like, I'm tired of this whole thing.
What kind of insult and embarrassment was that? So you knew all this while and you refused to let me enjoy it?
I just didn't want to disturb you, knowing full well what was going on around the palace. I felt it wasn't that necessary for me to tell you about it.
Well, something happened. An embarrassing one at that.
I'm sorry, my husband. I didn't see it in that light. I am sorry.
Can sorry save me the humiliation and the insults? You knew all this while and you could have avoided it, but you decided to play along it. Why?
I spoke to her. She said she could handle it. I spoke to her, but she wouldn't listen to me.
You didn't try hard enough. You did not try hard enough. If you had told me, I would have stopped the madness. Now look at it hurt. She has hurt herself and the stranger in question. This could have been avoided.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
I am facing detriment from outsiders. I am facing embarrassment in my own palace. This is getting too much for me.
Take it easy so that you don't hurt yourself. Everything will be fine.
Well, at the end of the day, I don't care what happens. I am not interested and I want you to face this yourself.
I feel like the world
I was thinking
has left me.
Something that as serious as this.
I feel lonely and empty inside of me. I feel like
Oh, please, I'm not in my right frame of mind. I don't want any disturbance from anybody right now. Can you please leave?
Your Highness, that's so a day new. Even me, I know they for right frame of mind like this.
What do you want?
I say make I tell you my mind so that I go fit sleep well. Make I know what they pursue me for dream. This thing now I won't tell you. Don't they bother me since. Boy, better make I just tell you.
Can you go straight to the point and tell me whatever you want to tell me?
Now that small pin charger. Now in scatter the relationship between the princess and a man. The truth be say, me and she we sabi. Yes, sir.
Chief Maiden.
We sabi each other. You know, say we dey do like say we don't know any of us. We know sabi each other. And I lie. We sabi each other for outside palace. For outside palace, for village. Me and she na friend. So as we come here, we just dey do like say I don't know you, you don't know me. But you see that day, wey be say him come for here, wey he wan come carry. When him drive out, na she rush go tell am everything, poison him heart. Women, you no notice as him drive out, you know waste time him come drive come inside. That time when he come inside, you don dey vex, war don start. So na she do everything.
What?
Yes, so I go leave you, make you continue with you.
What?
Because even me, when I hear am, I say what? So you go be here. As I don't tell you, my mind don't.
Hey!
Move, come here. Come on, move it. Come on, stand up. I will back with you. I will back with you. Let's go.
I'll carry you there for us.
If I thought I'm going to wake me up.
Come on, wait.
What's the way this one?
This girl. Come on, move it.
I will carry for
You
them.
carry it. Move it. Go inside.
Come.
Come inside. Come inside. Come inside.
What's the way now? What's happening here, bro? Okay? Okay, so you're the fool that ruined my daughter's relationship, yeah?
No, ma. Ma, you are getting it all wrong.
Really?
I'm innocent. Really. I'm very innocent. I know that these people, why they are doing all these things, because me, I'm a blessed child. God loves me so much. They don't know say me I be small girl with big God. Like God loves me for no reason. And that God they don't know. That's why they want to intimidate me. I'm innocent.
Why are evil people like this? You are caught red-handed. You are telling us how you're a small girl that has a big God. Is this what you are talking about?
No be only innocent, Naidibia. Talk, you don't cast. This are not be no hide anything. You don't cast, you don't know. Everybody don't know. So just talk true. As a day like this.
What did you do to my daughter?
You know, that guy is not good to be helping poor people.
That come on here, go to that one place. Who you bring for Gota? Who you bring for Gota? You say you get sense, shall I tell you?
Say this mugu I picked from the gutter. I picked you from the gutter. I cleaned you up.
Come on, go to that one.
As a security man, you cleaned him up. To be a security man, is that the cleaning?
Actually, that's half of the cleaning because I brought him from block place and I cleaned him up to be a security person. It's not easy.
It's not easy. Is that what you're talking about? What did you do to my daughter's relationship?
I'm not doing.
What did you tell Fred?
Well, as it don't be, yes, now me do. I tell Fred, say this are not be princess. Gone, yes. Everything, there's nothing hidden under the sun forever.
After everything we do for you, we elevated you as small and tiny as you are. We made you chief maid. Above all this, and this is how you chose to repay us? We're witch.
The heart of children. No be heart of men again, heart of children.
Heart of children, Abi? No, the queen is talking to me. I have mouth to talk to me. After everything me and you have planned in this palace.
No be waiting that they ask you. Talk waiting that they ask you. And now that one we talk, Ganga. Who tell her say you know the princess?
Who said it?
Okay. Oh. It go be for me and you like this now.
It go be for me.
No, as you just cast now, it go be for me and you. My queen, my royal highness, ma. Dorothy, help me and step forward, please. Let me sort out.
Not be waiting that they ask you. Not be waiting.
Come back. Come back here. As you want scatter everywhere, may we scatter them together. My queen, ma. My father have judges. I play Tagipa and my God debate. Oh, sorry.
So these ones are judges.
Sorry, ma.
Or debaters.
Sorry, ma. As the chief maid, can you hear me out my following point of my following point of view? So the thing now is me and this mugo. We team up, say, make two of them enter room. May we blackmail Dorothy, collect 50K.
Come on, shut up for there. No be so it happen. No be so it happen. No be so it happen. My princess, see what happen.
Me princess.
Sorry, my queen. No best for me. See, you see this girl where they this Dorothy. I don't know if they use waiting day my trousers swear for her. This girl no dey let me rest for this palace. So. Anytime she want bring food, she go show me breast. If she want bring water, she go show me nyash. Now so she dey do 247. So tey one day, my queen no say body no be firewood. I get blood where they run through my veins. You understand? Shut up for there. I don't say make you support me. So we come there. So that day I come say okay, make we go inside room. Make she really know wetin really dey under. That's wetin we go
my
do.
My queen, but they defrauded me of my
So
money.
we can't enter.
My queen 50,000 naira, just like that.
So you're in this palace to seduce men, even a security man.
My queen no go there. Wetin dey under anybody fit for. But me we no go there. So you see, my queen, see wetin happen. Before when we small, if we dey watch TV like this, adult wan kiss, we go close our eyes. Tell me wetin small pikin like this enter room wey me and I wan do. Na make we just do something. She carry camera dey record us.
In the palace, want to do something?
In the gateman quarters for palace.
As she pay the money, may I don't take her.
You give me, no be 5,000 you give me. Na so she gonna bring 50,000.
Now me and you.
Small pikin like this, wey suppose if you see where something dey happen, you go close eyes.
Now me and I discuss and say, as long as
you and who discuss?
come near you, may we
Now lie. Small pikin like her. We can't do something. Can't snap us.
To go and produce and get mad like you.
She bring 50,000 through you. See who chop her. Hey. What did she give me now? 5,000. Sometimes even I go here for this palace.
Wait. Yahoo in the palace.
See another Yahoo for here. That's Yahoo now where you talk.
Which Yahoo? This one, not me.
This one a thief from our village. Now my village boy.
Me?
A lie say they go American soldier. See American soldier tie her back for your palace. If all of us contribute money, because for our village, if any youth will say he want travel, we go support her.
Jumbo.
My money, day for this boy here. I'm surprised as I call your palace.
Let's everybody believe and catch that.
Nobody in the palace. I want nonsense. So nobody is in the palace. Everybody, please fight that.
But I'm not following. This one, where princess fool like this one now Mumu. This one, you get one man where they always come from outside when they find her. I don't see two of them. I go fish on my
this one they take small. This one they take small. It's a casting thing. Let all of us go.
A lot is happening. I don't follow, be say I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. No going back, my dear. No going back, my dear. No going back, my dear. No going back.
My princess.
I don't fall for you.
My princess, please open the door. You need to eat something, please.
I don't love. No going back, my dear. No going
My princess, please, you need mama. Please open the door.
No going back, my dear. I have fallen in love with you, I can't fake it. I am falling in love, Yakata, I can't fake it. My heart is always at peace whenever I hear your voice, baby more. I don't fall for you. Ikolugo be more. Isurugo be more. You captured my heart. I don't fall, be say I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. I don't want to know whatever they say. I don't care about their feelings. I don't fall for you, be say I don't follow. I don't love you, be say I don't love. No going back, no going back, no going back, no going back, my dear. You are the sun.
Adugo, my princess. Ada, please open. I want to see you. Ada, you're not fine. At least eat something. Let me get you something to eat. Well, open. Let me see you first. Ada, open now. I want to see. I want to know if you're all right. Ada, if you do not open, I'm going to involve your father right now. I will call him here. Oh, please don't do that, my baby. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Open the door. I want to see you. Please open. Let me see you. Baby. I don't want to know whatever they say. I don't care.
Hi, lover boy.
Hey, why were you barging into my house like that? What is it?
Because I have your keys.
Fine, what do you want?
It's not how to welcome an old friend. Are we enemies?
Cynthia, we're not enemies, please. But please state your reason why you are here and leave.
I
I know they hurt your broken heart, your little heart. But please, don't put your frustration on me, okay? I'm just here to console you. Oh, baby, I know you want me.
Who told you? I don't want you, okay, Cynthia? I want you to leave my house, please. I don't want you in my life anymore.
How dare you?
Cynthia, drop my house key, please.
Well, my father will soon become the king. In a few weeks' time, he's going to dethrone her and I'll become the princess. And you know what? You're going to come for me then.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Whatever.
Who's that? Come in, the door is open.
What are you doing here?
Please, I came to plead on behalf of the princess. Forgive her.
And why should I do that? Why should I forgive her? Just give me one reason.
The thing is that the woman that loves her man will do everything humanly possible within her part to win the man all to herself. She was scared of rejection. Yet she still wanted to fight what she loved. She fought within her heart for so long. But the unexpected happened. Tell me, if you do not understand the action behind her motive, tell me if you were in her shoes, you would not do worse than that.
Sit. I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Why are the people trying so hard to dethrone the king of this kingdom? Why? Because he does not have an heir apparent to the throne? He does not have a son. Is that the reason?
Yes. And his daughter, the princess, has no suitors. You know, she does not have anybody to marry her for her to be the queen of this land. Many men, they come and go. They were so scared of marrying her because of her condition. Condition she was never born with. I don't know why you want to cry. The princess is beautiful damsel. You saw her yourself. But men seems to run away from her because she's crippled.
Well, I want to understand something. Why did he not marry another wife? I mean, he's the king. He would have married another wife at least to bear him a son.
The thing is that the king of this kingdom is a peaceful man. He does not need polygamous family. I think that's why he don't want to take another wife.
Indeed, he's a man with integrity.
Yes, he is. Please, I want to beg you for something.
What is that? It's okay,
I want to beg you for one thing. Please. I'm begging you in the name of God and things you love most. Forgive my princess.
Please, just sit down, okay? Please sit down, okay? You don't need to beg me. Sit down.
So it's all my fault.
It's okay. It's fine. Just sit down, please.
Please, she needs you more. Do not abandon her. Please.
Okay, fine. Can you sit, please? You don't need to beg me.
Please. It's all my fault, though. Please.
No, it's not your fault.
Once again, you're welcome, Mr.
Fred.
Oh, Fred.
Thank you very much, sir.
So, how can I help you?
I heard you're the owner of this kingdom.
Oh, sure. Hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well. I also heard rumors that they want to dethrone Igwe Ugunabo. I want to know the reason why.
Well, it is not rumors, my dear. It is true. You know, the king's men doesn't want the kingship to go to another community. So, they decided to, dethrone him and look for someone else to sit there. Just because he doesn't have a son.
This is really unfair.
Well, what we want to do. But though, there is still remedy to it.
And what could that be?
Well, he has just one daughter and she is crippled. Yes, and because of that, suitors are not forthcoming. If, peradventure, she happens to have a suitor and gets married, well, automatically, the husband becomes the prince and the heir apparent to the throne. So, he retains his seat.
I see. Oh no, that is really nice. I'm just surprised because I heard he's a very good man, so I wonder why all this are happening.
Honestly, he is a good man, very good man. But people with a bad heart, they've been blinded with money, bribed with money, so they decided to turn their back at him. What we won't do.
Okay, thank you very much for your time and everything. I really appreciate it. Oh no.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I will take my leave now.
Where is she? Will she drive to enter train to come here? Hi! You need to board train. That is why you were here. When you should have boarded a train to bring the food.
Madam. You are cannot have some.
No, it's fine. I'm fine, Dad.
Why? You don't like fruits? You can eat an apple instead.
No, I'm fine, Mommy.
You don't have appetite. Is it food? It's fruits. It nourishes the body. Why?
No, you see, because of what happened?
No, Dad. I'm actually just thinking of where to go.
Where to go? You just woke up and you're thinking of where to go. Is it because of something that happened in the palace the other time? That's why you want to live everywhere? Everyone to go to somewhere?
My angel, if you really want to go to anywhere, I am in full support. Okay? So where do you have in mind?
I don't understand. Your Majesty, you're encouraging her to leave. Who will take care of her over there?
My angel, think about the place you want to go. A place you know you're going to have a rest of mind. Especially these days that the palace is filled with so many issues. We all need a break.
You go north, you go west, you go east. Home is the best.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah.
But, Mommy, you really don't need to worry, okay? I can take care of myself. Dad, I want to go to Aunt Cecilia's place.
You left city to go to Imosha, Imezi, to that remote area.
I think it's okay. You want to go there, isn't it?
Yeah. Why are you interested in taking her out of this palace? Do you have other plans or something?
If you want her to be happy, let her make a choice of where she is going to be comfortable. And just have a total blankness of where she's coming from. I think
she left a palace, her father's mansion, to go to one bush area to go and stay with a Sicilian nation.
I feel like the world has left me alone. I feel lonely and empty inside of me. I feel like
Promise us you're going to take care of yourself.
I promise, Daddy. I don't want you to go, but your father insisted you must go. I want you to always be strong and take care of yourself.
I will, Mom. Stop worrying, okay? I'm fine.
How will I stop worrying? Are you not my child? My only child.
Mom, it's fine. I'll be fine, Mom. Okay?
What about your bag? Okay, the bag is here?
Yes.
I love you.
Love you too, Mommy. Let's go.
Be careful.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye, darling.
But I believe once there is life.
She needed to leave so she could regain herself. She has lost too much.
Do you know where she went to? I've been trying to reach her. Like, her line is switched off. I really need to see her. Please, I'm so perturbed.
The thing is that she don't want to get distracted. That's why she did not go with any of her maid or guards. But she's at her auntie's place, outskirts of this kingdom.
Do you know the place? Can you take me to the place?
Yes, anytime you want.
Okay. Thank you very much, okay? I really appreciate. I have to leave now, okay?
Okay, I am glad you came. Alright. This should work. I think this should work.
I don't follow, they say I don't follow. I don't love, they say I don't love. No going back, my dear. 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 I don't fall for you, beside I don't follow. I don't follow. I don't love you, beside.
Who's there? And is that you? Come in.
My princess.
Why are you here? Did you forget something?
No, my princess, I did not forget anything. Someone wants to see you.
Me?
Yes.
Who is it?
A minute, I'm coming.
Come inside. Fred,
So you could easily give up on us. You just left like that.
Fred, I had no choice. Okay? I'm so sorry, Fred. I thought that was the best thing to do.
And so you gave up on us.
Fred, I had to leave. I mean, I didn't want to cause any more trouble or misunderstanding. That was why I had to just leave.
I never knew you were born crippled. So what happened?
I wasn't born crippled. It happened when I was coming back from my father's project. One of his projects. A drunk truck driver hit me and that was it.
Did you try to find a solution on how to fix the legs?
We tried. We went to several hospitals, but they all said nothing could be done about it.
And then you gave up, right?
Fred, I never gave up on us.
Listen, I love you so much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to stay by your side, no matter the situation. Please, promise me you won't give up on us again.
I won't.
I know you taught Ijoma everything she did. That was a smart move. But I knew there was something different about her. I knew she was not the person that I was chatting. But I love you so much. I want that lady that sends me those articles. It is you I want, and it is you I want to spend the rest of my life with. I want that lady that is scared to come outside because of what people will say. My love, I don't care if you're crippled. I love you so much, and I've missed you. I'm sorry it took me so long to... forgive me, babe.
I love you
Forgive
too.
me. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
I missed you too much, babe. Sorry, okay. I shouldn't have acted that way. Okay, it's okay. We'll be fine, okay? I promise you.
Thank you so much for coming back.
Distance is not a barrier. Love is a beautiful thing when you find your lover.
My love,
Yes, baby.
are you leaving today?
I don't know yet, but if you want me to stay, I will.
Of course I want you to stay. I mean, Auntie Cecilia is not around and you know I don't have legs. Who help me out with the chores and stuff?
Baby, you know you're very crazy girl, right?
And that's exactly why you fell for me?
I not told you. Who said so?
Wow. So you didn't... You did not?
You know I love you so much, right?
Perfect.
Oh, my love.
Mm?
So, how about we fly you to India for treatment?
And what am I going to do in India, Mr. Fred?
I spoke to a friend of mine and he introduced me to a very good orthopedic doctor. I sent him your x-rays and results and he said something can be done.
Babe, can you just rest? They'll just keep saying the same thing, nothing can be done, blah blah blah.
No.
So I just think you should rest, okay?
Babe, he didn't. Okay,
What?
babe, I feel this is the right time to solve this. We need to give it a chance, okay? Please.
You mean something can be done about my leg?
Yes, babe. I'm very positive about this. And I want you to have faith, okay? You need to believe in this and I'm very sure it will work.
Goodness, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
babe,
you.
babe, you know I want the best for you, okay? You know I will do everything humanly possible to make sure you get back on your feet.
Thank you so much, Fred.
You're welcome, my love.
Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you.
Baby, but I want you to promise me something.
Anything, just say it. Just
Babe,
say
it's
it.
not about saying it. I'll sponsor the whole trip, but on one condition.
But
you won't tell anyone about this. Not even your mom or your dad.
Okay. But hold on.
What?
What if you want to use me for rituals?
What do you mean use it for ritual? But anyways, you're a princess. At least you fetch me enough euros and pounds.
You're not serious. You're
Well,
not
that's
serious.
true now. You're a princess. Huh? You fetch me
Promise.
enough euros and pounds. Promise, baby.
Thank you so much.
Baby girl. You're crazy. Don't worry.
So sorry about this, okay?
It's fine.
So when?
Since the gods have remained silent over a matter as heavy as this, I have decided to leave the throne before the due date.
What? No, my king. You can't say such a thing. No.
I do not want anyone to come embarrassing me.
My king, there is still time. I believe anything can happen. Anything can happen.
Until that thing happens. Besides, it's not the end of the world. Maybe the gods, maybe that's how they want it. Life goes on.
No, my king. My king, I don't believe this is the way the gods want it. No. This is unheard of in the history of our land. I'm honestly confused here.
There's always a first time. My friend, don't worry yourself. My only wish and prayer is that he rules my people well. What are you doing in my place?
Oh, where is my crown and my staff of office?
Oh. You're so desperate that you couldn't wait for any place to turn your head?
Do I have to wait for something that is already mine?
Well, for now, it's still mine.
Oh yes. Brother, you know, if you had given me this when I wanted it, it wouldn't have come to this.
There's no way I could have given you my birthright.
Yes, I know. That is the reason I paid for it.
Do you love the people that you want to rule over?
Oh, the people?
Do you know them? Do they know you?
Oh. I wanted power. And I'm about having it. Who cares about the people? What are you blabbing?
Now get out of my palace.
Your palace? Oh, Your Majesty. I forgot.
Wait until it is your turn.
It is okay. Your Majesty. That's all right.
I has left me alone. I feel lonely and empty inside of me.
Mother, you sent for me.
Yes.
Otaka just left here some minutes ago. He said the gods want me to be present at the coronation ground.
Let us go then.
No, I don't want to be humiliated. I'm not going.
What do you mean by you don't want to be humiliated? When did you start disobeying the gods?
Since they became silent.
Maybe they're no longer silent. It could be them speaking through me. Let us go.
And if they...
There is no what if. There is no if. Let us go. Please, I beg you. Let us go.
Save me from this shame.
Can you please listen to me just once?
I can't believe it.
Hey!
I can't. Look at my daughter. Oh, now my word is complete. I can see now that my word is complete. Fred, I want to tell you frankly. Oh, at the end of the day, I am no longer the father of a crippled person. Oh. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Today my joy is full.
Me too.
I am so happy.
I'm so grateful, Your Highness. You know, some people comes into your life as a blessing. From mistakenly transferring money to her, look at where we are today.
Yeah,
God has every reason for everything.
Yes, my queen.
Fred, thank you so much.
My love. Thank you so much, my baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming to
What's
my
going
life.
on?
I don't understand. Why did you call him baby? I don't understand.
My queen.
Yes?
Your Highness.
Yes?
I don't know if it's the right time to do this.
Come on.
The princess and I have agreed to be husband and wife.
The God of my answers. Well, congratulations. You know what? My joy is full.
You see? The throne is secured.
By the way, we were actually getting ready to go to my brother's coronation. Because by virtue of the fact that I didn't have a son, my daughter, didn't have a suitor.
And being a cripple too.
So we had accepted the fate and we had gone to just cheer him out. But I think it's different now.
We're going to go and fight for the throne.
Yes. Take it back.
Because we have everything and every reason to take it back.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Get to back. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, my.
Kingdom. Today is the day we all are waiting.
Yes.
The people of Umuchuku, we are waiting to crown our new king today. Akwanga Niru.
Jena Sogenazo.
Akwakase Mia. Anka. Igwe. Kamezia.
Oh, you go on Agachi.
Igwe. Okomara mahema.
I'll come.
By the power vested on me as the kingmaker of this great kingdom, Umuchuku kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Egunedubedi Sinkembo na Umuchuku. Akuyano.
Ichiazo, what is wrong? What are you doing?
Chie, what's happening now?
What is wrong with you?
What is happening?
Please. Do quick.
Just try again.
Don't try this rubbish again.
Hurry up.
Kagabani. Akuyano.
Okay,
Akuyano.
Okay.
Kana gani?
Your Highness! Iche, what is going on? Your Highness!
Ichiazo.
Your Highness, what?
Ichiazo, what is wrong with you? If you cannot do this, allow me to do it myself. What is wrong with you?
Igwe, something is wrong somewhere.
Nothing is wrong, Ichiazo. Nothing is wrong.
Iche, hurry up with this thing. I can't wait to answer Queen. Hurry up! Iche, just put it again. Just try it.
Just put it.
Put it.
Do quick. Put this thing on my head.
Iche, please crown him already. Crown him. Just try it.
Come on. Ichiazo, can you now do quick?
Hurry up and do this thing. I can't wait to answer Queen.
Stop! You people are discrediting the land. If you crown him, he will run mad.
Ezemo, what are you talking?
The crown is not yours. It's not for you to take.
Ugrab, what are you doing?
What is he doing on the ground?
My dear brother.
Oh! Yoshi crown. Oh! Where is the crown? Oh!
Azuka and Okora for... What a cheap coronation is this?
Cheap house, cheap coronation.
Didn't I tell you I didn't want to come here?
I wanted you to come so that you come and see how cheap the brother has made himself. On the ground.
Yeah, the king of the floor.
Ground king. And you, queen, Mara Buruburu with her husband, Gudu Gudu.
Okora for Azuka.
Yoshi crown.
Oh, he's up.
Bodo.
Clap for yourself.
Oh, Bodo. You managed to, oh, you made it?
Yes.
I'm happy you made it.
Well, despite all your actions, trying to do what you shouldn't have done, I still love you.
Love who? How can you love a thief? Someone that wants to steal your crown and steal the throne. Look at the house. You want to turn into a palace, cheap coronation. Everything about you is cheap.
Long live the king!
Long live the king, my husband.
Long live the king.
Long live the king. Oye, wapwanya. Wakabasianya. If you're from the Gabi.
You still want to do the king?
He failed.
Cynthia, you and your father are so wicked and evil.
Of course.
How can you try to dethrone a king who has done nothing because he does not have a male child? I'm so disappointed at you.
What you did?
Shut up your mouth!
Why would you do this to me after all we shared? You want to be with the princess? Why?
What did you share? Is it the long hair? Or the empty brain? Or the theft? What did people share? Maybe they told you you're going to be the princess. Yeah. That is why they made you this cheap gown, long gown, so that you can be a cheap princess. Everything about you and your father, cheap. Look at shabby charade you people are doing here. Where are the elders? Where are the town people? So only these elders will crown your father and your mother king and queen. Present to whom? Okay, or kitchen king. You and your father are kitchen king, kitchen queen. Hmm?
Well, like I told you, for the sake of blood, I still love you.
Love who? Unushi.
And as for the both of you, you're all complicit. Just because she could not walk or get a suitor, you treated her badly.
That's our culture. That's our culture.
Shut up.
For your information, I'm getting married to my princess here.
What? Is it death? Is marriage? What is that for? Because you failed. Take your daughter. That makes her a princess.
Brother, I'll see you later. Let's go.
You need to see him. Go to the kitchen and be your king and your queen in the kitchen.
Let's go.
He is still the Igwe. I am the Lolo. Unshakable.
She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Maiden, Double Wahala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Maiden, Double Wahala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Maiden, Double Wahala. Her double wahala, no day and anytime. People in Sobobia, okay, you're working Sobo. Anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. If you want to trouble, now she be trouble herself. Ijoma the chief maiden, she not the fear at all. Anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. Ijoma biago we chili, onya pepe, na chief maiden she be. No come drag her position. Okay, Peppa give fair. Ijoma, she not the hear word. If you cross her lane, she go show you shaggy banza. If you cross her lane, she go show you shaggy banza.